What's up, everybody? In this course, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to YouTube, give you some advice on recording them, what to record. You're not going to have to think about what your video is about. You're just going to answer some questions that I ask you, watch my version of the video, and then record your own where you answer the question. Because if you want to make a YouTube channel, you don't have to learn all the stuff about SEO and tags and titles and social media and all that. All you gotta do is upload videos. That's the thing that matters. And so that's the focus of this course. It's just 7 days where you upload one video each day. This could be a 2-minute video. It could be a 20-minute video. It's whatever works for you. And it doesn't really matter if you don't like it, upload it anyway. Just do it for 7 days. If you can do that, it really increases the chance that you're gonna get into the habit of making solid YouTube videos, and then you can learn about SEO and all that and all the wonderful magical things of the opportunity that is YouTube. All right, guys, see you in the rest of the course. Ciao.